Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In this today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can save your project as audio only on VN Video Editor. Okay, let's get into it guys. First of all, I'm going to open up my VN Video Editor on my mobile phone, and then I'm going to create the project. So I'm going to click on this plus icon and then select new project, and I'm going to choose a video based. Okay, I'm going to save it, and then I'm going to import a video with audio in it. Wait, I'm going to go to the video section, and for instance, I'm going to import this video guys. I'm gonna click on next, and this is how the video sounds like. Okay, and before I save this video as audio only on my VN, I'm going to edit the video so the audio will be edited as well. I'm going to make it slower. I'm gonna change the speed like this. Okay, I'm going to click on the check mark, and after that I'm going to show you how we can save this video as audio only on a VN. You just need to click on this icon. Okay, and then you can select the resolution and also the FPS as well. And wait, I'm going to export as audio only. We can activate this feature, export audio only. Okay, and then we can select audio or manual. I'm just going to select manual, and then we can click on export. Okay, and now the audio has been exported, and this is the result guys, and you will be able to share it to your friends. You can share it without WhatsApp, Discord, or maybe Telegram. It's up to you, and you'll be able to save it to your Google Drive as well. And I'm going to save it to my Google Drive. Okay. Alright, and now I have opened my Google Drive, and as you can see guys, the audio we have just exported from VN has been uploaded, and I will be able to use this audio. Okay. Okay guys, and that's all the way to save project as audio only on a VN Video Editor. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and if you found this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit the like button, leave your comments, and also subscribe to this channel. Bye!